everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Now today's video gonna be Ajio tops and t-shirt haul under 200 rupees. Now I have done a similar video on the past, so if you are interested then I'm gonna give the link in the description box so that you can go and check it out. So I shopped a lot of t-shirts and tops from Ajio. I thought why shouldn't I share this with you people, because I have some hits and miss and some products which are absolutely amazing. If you're new here then hi, I'm Arushi and I make videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first item that I got from Ajio is this t-shirt. Now I don't remember the price of everything, so I'm gonna give on screen and all the link will be in the description box in case you want to check it out. So yeah, first t-shirt is this one. Now I really like the print it has. It has this cool looking girl with goggles and some flowers, and most importantly I really like the color of it. It is such a basic piece, really cool print going on it, and it's not of like cheap quality. I really like the color of the t-shirt, like it's exactly the same what I saw on Ajio app, and this is from the brand Rio and it is in the size small. I have been into experimenting nowadays a lot, and I'm talking about this top. Now this is like a really cool top, okay? Like when I saw this I was little like skeptical that should I get this or not, but I really love the color and look at the print. It's so unique. I have never seen any sort of this kind of prints, and yeah, at the back it is like plain, but I really love its color. And when I get this product I was like, will the fabric be good or not? But the fabric is so great. I really like the fabric. It's kind of stretchy material and it's from the brand Ajio and it is in the size small, and yeah, I definitely love this top. It looks so cool and yeah, I love it, and it just looks so good on me. I feel like the color really suits me, and I would definitely recommend this to you, and yeah, it is again a hit for me. The next top that I got from Ajio is this plain white top. Now I have seen this top in multiple platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, so I got this from Ajio and I was super excited for this top, and it is literally the most expensive item from this haul, and I had high hopes from this and I thought it would look so good on me. I had created a whole outfit in my head because I got some pants from Myntra and I was really excited to style this with that pant, and it was such a flop. I was so disheartened. The fabric is such a low quality. It literally feels like banyan ka kapda, and I was like, let it be. If it looks good on me then I will be more than happy. So when I wear this, it got so wide. Like if you are wearing a high neck top or a turtleneck, it has to fit this area, okay? So it has to be of stretchy material, but I don't know what kind of material is this. When I wore this, I'm gonna put it on like try on haul, it just widened up and it looks so weird over here, and I instantly took it out and I was like, I need to return this item. So let's move on to the next item, and I'm really excited to show you this one. Now look at this beauty. I really love the pink color it has and really love the print going on it. It has like this beautiful yellow and neon eyes, red lips, lavender nails. I don't know what is going over here, and at other side it is black and white and it says I am everything I need. So yeah, definitely I feel like you are everything you need and you have to be, and you just need to love yourself first before expecting from others. So yeah, let it be. It is from the brand Rio and it is in the size small. Again, the fabric is of great quality. I'm really happy with this purchase, and it has this length. Let me show you. So yeah, everything is great about this. The fabric is of great quality, it really fits me well, and yeah, the price I have paid for it, I think it is a great steal and it's again a hit for me. And the next item on the list is again a white t-shirt. Now I really wanted to get like some whites on my wardrobe because it's summer and I just wanted to breathe and feel comfortable. So yeah, I get this one. I mean, it is in the size small and it is from DNMX. I have got like a lot of items from DNMX in the past and I know that their clothes are really good. Its fabric is really good. It's very soothing and very comfortable cotton fabric, and it has like this print going over here. It says New Myself is out now, limited edition. So yeah, it looks really cool. If you style this with a black pant or black jogger, it definitely looks so cool. And it has this plain white bag. Last, it has this asymmetrical pattern, like it is little longer from the back and it is shorter from the front. So yeah, again I feel like this is such a cool top to go for. It is really comfortable, really soft material. Definitely need to try this, and great price, looks great, and yeah, everything is great about this top, and it is again a hit, and definitely get it for yourself. Next top that I got from Ajio is this one. Now it's really pretty top. You can get this in 3 different color. I wanted to have the beige one, but it got out of stock, and in this top too, it was like extra small was already out of stock, so I got it in small size, which is like the problem. I thought like small will be okay, I will manage, but it's like too oversized for me. It is from the brand Fig and it has this beautiful sleeves, which I absolutely love about the top. Now it's definitely not comfortable fabric if you wear this and go out in summer, but I definitely feel like if you wear this under AC, then it's gonna work. It's not that irritating fabric. So I wanted to exchange it, but now again all the sizes were out of stock, so I had to like return this item, and I'm feeling so bad, but definitely I'm gonna keep a check on this. As soon as it comes in stock, I'm again gonna order this for myself. So yeah, if you find this on stocks, definitely get it for yourself by checking the size chart and everything. It is such a pretty top, under 200 rupees. I think it is again a steal. So yeah, again it is like hit for the top fabric and everything, but miss because I couldn't wear it. So moving on to the next item, I have this beautiful top. Now this color I really liked it. I call it Ghia color. मुझे नहीं पता इस कलर को क्या बोलते हैं. Let me know in the comment box if you know what this color is called. So this is again from Rio. Now I feel like tops from Rio are really good and they are of great quality. Before I showed you like 2 or 3 tops from Rio and they were like really good. Now it has again this print forever and always. So yeah, there is girl sitting over there with like, yeah, I never had something of this color and I really like the color and the print on it, and this is again in the size small. So yeah, I definitely think this is again a hit for me and I really like this t-shirt, and I am like super excited to wear like all these clothes and go outside and click so many pictures. So yeah, definitely follow me on Instagram for like latest and daily updates if you haven't followed yet. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoy watching this one with me, and I feel like we should make a series where we do these kind of videos, and let's call it like Shop with Arushi. So yeah, I really hope that you had fun watching this video, and if you did, then give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have come to this channel for the very first time, then I'm gonna give the link of my other videos on the description box, so go and check it out. And if you like them, then definitely subscribe to this channel and be part of our family. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Goodbye.